Fortador, a modern solution in the field of car washes and a perfect idea for own profitable business. Fortador appliances are comfortable mobile steam cleaners. They combine several functions: disinfection, steam upholstery washing, steam cleaning, and vacuuming. The operation of Fortador appliances is based on the use of dry ionized steam emitted directly under pressure on the clean surface. The body and wheels, for example, remain clean and free of scratches. What's more, the Fortador, probably the only one in the market, is able to apply 2 detergents along with the steam, even by 3 operators simultaneously. Before the delivery of the Fortador devices, the new owner or operators undergoes free e-training. Thanks to big touch-sensitive screens, the machines are highly intuitive. One can easily learn how to operate them within several minutes. For example, to increase the washing temperature, it is enough to close the gun nozzle to the surface to be cleaned. In this way, you can get rid of the dirts and very quickly clean, for example, a dirty car window. Steam reaches the most inaccessible corners and removes any stains without damaging the clean surface. In addition, the washed element is disinfected from accumulated bacteria and fungi. That allows the use of this technology not only for car cleaning. The application of steam washing technology is unlimited. Industry, hotels, gastronomy, office and house cleaning, and many others. Fortador diesel hybrids and only electric Fortador appliances are also a step towards environmental protection. By washing the car, less water is consumed than the traditional car wash. And thanks to the installed Lamborghini engine, fuel is reduced up to 80% compared to conventional professional diesel steam cleaners. The steam cleaner is also independent of the source of running water and electricity. With Fortador, you do not have to worry about water permits because the machines do not generate wastewater. And what is the result? Clean, shiny surface, water, energy, time, and money saving. Be mobile. Take care of the environment. Open your own business with steam cleaners. Be your own boss. Visit us at www.fortador.com.